I wanted to show you how easy it is to set up a new Drupal Commerce site using the Commerce Kickstart installation profile. I'm using ddev local for this, and the first step you'll see is whether you want to install all features with sample content. Now this will install all Centauro certified projects and a lot of sample products and such, so you can get something up running very quickly. Since I'm doing just a demonstration site, I will go ahead and check this. If you're setting up your own store, you probably don't want to do that because you want to start from scratch. But even then, it's going to be easy to set up, and a lot of the steps are going to be the same. I'll click Next. I'll call this my test store. Email. Test.com. I'm just going to put in a quick password for the administrator and save and continue. And it'll go through the installation process. And there we go. Already logged in. I now have a full featured e-commerce store ready to go in less than 2 minutes. So now I can do anything you would expect from an out-of-the-box e-commerce store. So let's go to this goat painting, add to cart. I can now go to the cart. You'll see some pop-ups since I'm logged in as admin, some overlays and administrative links. But you'll see everything works as you expect. I can check out, pre-populated with a test card number, make it easy to test. To manage your store, you'll see this little cart icon on the left, and all of your Drupal Commerce settings will be under this menu. If I go to orders, see one of these test orders. If I go to overview, you'll see this dashboard, and it has some rudimentary analytics you can look at, plus a deeper dive into the menu. We go to products. We can look at full visibility of all the products in the store and view those from there. If we edit it, we can then see the product details. All the variations are on this menu up here. This is where you'll change prices and other details of the products. Of course, every product is going to have at least one variation.